this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and we are here today with the last of our Christmas gifts. I've got another big box. This is some artsy fartsy nails. I have not opened it. I've been sitting on this baby since it arrived. So I'm gonna cut her open. Maybe. Might have to pause and do this. I'm really not sure. She really taped this baby shut. From one end of the box to the other. Yeah, I'm gonna pause. I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. We are in business. Artsy fartsy nails. Her name is Tammy. There is oh, we've got all kinds of goodies in here. Oh my gosh. I don't know where to begin, so I'm going to just start grabbing Betty Cora press-on nails. I've never had Betty Cora. I guess maybe this is why in her video she says Just Nailed It meets Betty Cora, huh? Oh gosh. Oh. Savvy Land exclusive nail art acrylic powder kit. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what this means, folks? This means I gotta pull my stuff out. It's been a year. Ooh wee buddy, we got some beautiful colors. We have got a pink, could be a clear, a white, a purple, a yellow, a blue, orange, and green, and this could be another clear or a white. Oh my god, Tammy. I need to put my readers on so I can see this. Again, this is by Savvy Land. I don't have anything from them. Specification: 100% vegan and cruelty-free, high quality, no animal testing. Keep out of reach of children. Do not take internally. Follow directions, methods of application from supplier. Store in a cool, dry place away from sunlight, heat, and open flame. It's got their contact, their social media. Hope you can see that in case you need to get a hold of Savvy Land. Oh my god. I cannot believe her. Oh, I'm so into these nail cuticle wraps. Japanese Camellia oil and vitamin E. Scared I'm going to push this off the desk. A cuticle pusher. We have got us some Maratt files, 100 and 100 grit premium. Don't have those either. Oh wait, let me get the other two. Oh, these are, okay. These are 180, 240. Okay, okay. We've got two different types of files. Ooh, what is this? Flip still. Hands-free selfies and videos with kickstand. Check this out. For the creator in you. Tammy, this is too cool. Thank you, sweetheart. We have got some, these are different patterns. Some double-ended strip studio collection. Oh my god, I forget what to call these. I forget what to call these every single time. Nail wraps. Peel off. Not peel off. Oh my god, what do they call me? I'm such a brain fart. Such a brain fart. Nail polish strips. Oh my goodness. I could not think. I couldn't think. Okay, Modelones Gel Nail Polish Kit Remover Kit. Oh, I swear I destroy boxes, so I'm really trying not to. I can never get them open right. Okay, here we have got liquid peel off latex tape. Oh. Nail polish remover, oh my god, I'm having trouble. Nail polish gel remover, liquid peel off latex tape. Oh, there's stuff inside too. Okay, let me see. You get your little orange wood stick and your lint-free wipes. You've got their warranty. And here, okay, that's good to have. Good to have. Something to play with. Whoops. Whoopsie. I've got some, God, what company was it? Man and Glam. I can't get the thing here right. Who sent me some peel off. They sent me a PR box. A peel off, what's it called? Peel off face coat. I cannot wait to try this. And I can use this too as another method to remove. Okay, we got a Christmas card. We're going to hold on to that for just a minute. I'm going to remove the last of the tissue paper so I can see. Christmas card, I'm going to save till last. We've got some stars. 3D of some leaves. 3D nail design stickers. Super, super cool. Love, love, love. Aww. Connie's Creations. These are the Jesus fish stickers. Well, they're not stickers. Let me see. What are they? What are decals? Oh my god, these are too adorable. Look at these. And like I said, these are Connie's Creations. These are out of Florida, I believe, maybe. It's Tammy, not Florida, listen to me, like Ohio. Tammy's out of Ohio. So I'm not sure if these are also, but it's got the contact information here. And these are stickers or water decals too, maybe. Let's check them out. Whoops. Whoopsie. How to apply nail decals. Oh my god, look. Look at those. Oh, my mother's gonna love these. I love these, Tammy, but Mom's gonna love these when she sees them. She's gonna be like, ooh, I want them, I want them. I know she will. I haven't done her nails at all since she's been here with us, which is horrible of me. Whoops. Here we have got 2 containers of Fimos. These are smiley face emojis. Let's take a peek. Let's take a peek. Oh, there's kitties, frogs. These are too adorable. I don't have any of these. I have females, but not these kind. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Let's see what else we got. Oh, look at these flowers. These are so sweet. Tammy, I'm hoping you're enjoying your gift as well. Put a couple of things in there that, I don't even know what to call them. It could be a fiberglass. I don't know if they're fiberglass strains, but they're colored. I hope you've opened your gift already and I'm not like doing a, what's it called? What's it called? Oh, I can't think of what to call it. I'm not trying to give away what's in your, oh, these are butterflies, what's in your gift. But I hope you had a Merry Christmas, Tammy. I hope you enjoyed your gift as well. I am so digging these. Okay, we have got some pearls. These are not too tiny where I can't see, like the caviar beads. These babies. I can't see to use these. These are like so super tiny. These are bigger where I can see, but these are beautiful. Look at all the different colors. Could just put base coat on here, cure it, and dip these in there. You dip your finger in there maybe. I'll have to try that. Okay, these are other little females. I think these are rainbows. There's my wax picker upper. Something's wrong with my wax picker upper. It's shredding. Yes, these are rainbows. A female is a little clay piece. They are thin. And these are rainbows. How super sweet. Okay, what else do we got? What are these? This is acrylic from Loose Nail Sparkles. Look how beautiful that is. That is so pretty. Okay. We have come to the end of our box. Here we have got some blue sequins and blue glitter. Look how beautiful that is. 2 different shades of blue. Love, love, love. We've got some gold hollow stars. Let me open this baby up. These are more Fimos. Rose Fimos. Oh my god, how beautiful are those? Yeah, definitely time to pull the acrylics out. Got some gold hollow stars. I can see New Year's manicure maybe, or some other winter designs. So, you know, winter's just started. Christmas may have been yesterday, but oh my lord, winter is just begun. Now we have the last of our package here. Ah, Sagittarius, Pisces, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Oh my god, they're all the zodiac signs. You put these across your nail. Well, if you had like a XXXL, I'm a Pisces myself, me and my son. My mother's the Virgo in the family. These are two. Oh, where'd it go? These are so sweet. I don't have these. So super cute. Stinking cute. I love them. Now if I can get it back in the bag without losing any. These are too cute, Tammy. I thank you so very much. Now my card. Love, love cards. Oops. But I want to see if I can read this on camera. So I must back up. Oh, I will show you the card. Santa stop here. Aww. Okay, here we go. There's the front of the card. Cherie, I hope you and your family are healthy for the holidays. Stay safe. Wishing you a Christmas filled with joyous holiday cheer. Love, Tammy, a.k.a. Artsy Fartsy Nails. If you don't know her, she has an up-and-coming channel. I want everybody to head over to Artsy Fartsy Nails. This is how you spell it right here. And it's a Z.S on nails. So go check her out. Tell her Just Nailed It Cherie sent you. I would appreciate the support and subscribing to her channel. I think her channel is really going to go somewhere. She's got great, great, great personality. I think she is... I think her channel is really going to go somewhere. I really do. She's got a lot of hacks that she investigates and shows everybody. So, Tammy, once again. I thank you, thank you. I thank you, girlfriend. I'm loving, loving, loving my Christmas gifts. I thank you from the bottom of my heart to yours. I told you from the heart, and that's what you did. That's what you did. These are super cute. Maybe you can put these on Mom. You never know. Oh my God, I just can't wait. I don't know what to play with first. Well, we're going to call this a day. I'm going to maybe play with some of my goodies here. Definitely going to open this. I'm opening this first. Flip 90, the kickstand anywhere. Every phone needs those. Every selfies, hands-free videos with the kickstand. Well, we're going to end it here before we run over out of time. I'm not trying for a 30-minute video. Again, Tammy, thank you so very, very much for my goodies for Christmas. I appreciate you so very much and your support. Head over to Artsy Fartsy Nails, give her a look, see if you like what you see, and I know you will. Subscribe to her channel. Let her know that Just Nailed It sent you. And we're going to call this the end for today. We will see you on Thursday for a video. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.